So this woman is a judge. Let's call her Judge Thumbs. So Judge Thumbs goes to work one day and she's just not feeling this trial. It's like 7 days long, it's drawn out. So to cure her boredom, she starts texting. Secretly, behind the bench. Just some casual texting, but she mostly texts her friend, the bailiff, who I assume looks like this. But does she only text the bailiff like once or twice? No, they exchange over 500 texts. And Judge Thumbs, she's texting about all kinds of stuff. Like she mocks the prosecuting attorney, this guy, calling him horrible, saying he has baby hands and that he was sweating through his coat. She made comments referencing the size of his junk. She makes fun of a juror's hair and a witness's teeth. She says another witness seems constipated. Oh, but it gets much worse. Cause this wasn't no regular trial. This was a murder trial where a man was accused of unaliving his girlfriend's 2-year-old kid in a really brutal way. So not only was Judge Thumbs texting about all those petty things, she was also texting her thoughts on the trial. Like she called one witness a liar, she called the defense attorney awesome, said she wanted to clap for her, but most importantly, she said the state couldn't accept that a mom could kill her kid, so they went after the next person available. All of that making it seem as if the judge believed that the man who was accused of unaliving the kid was innocent, and that she wanted to see a particular outcome in the case. So then the trial ends, and the man accused gets off pretty light on a manslaughter conviction, which is way less than the murder conviction that the prosecuting attorney, Baby Hands, was going for. So now the trial's over, and allegedly the sheriff's deputy who had seen the judge texting, he reaches out to Baby Hands, telling him to review the CCTV footage from the courtroom. And he does, and he sees the judge texting the whole time. And he's pissed, because you know, she said he had baby hands, but also because her bias may have potentially affected the outcome of the case. So then the video gets leaked to the public and the internet just roasts her. She sent 500 texts? What a terrible judge! I can't even get a text back. And that is when these guys stepped in and started investigating the judge. So then how does the judge respond to all this? She has the cameras removed from the courtroom. But then they're put back with privacy boxes that cover her and her desk. Then a month later, because the story had already blown up, the county commissioners voted to remove those boxes. And around that time, the Council of Judicial Complaints finally finished their investigation. And now, Judge Thumbs is suspended without pay, while they decide whether or not to remove her from the bench permanently. And all this happened in Chandler, Oklahoma, so shout out to Oklahoma.